Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Harley-Davidson CVO Fat Bob. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2009 Harley-Davidson CVO Fat Bob with 20,031 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a keyless ignition and has been upgraded with a Bob exhaust, progressive suspension forks, aftermarket rear shocks, docking hardware, and chrome rear fender struts. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin engine, the CVO Fat Bob puts 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Fat Bob has a 160 to 190 mile range. It has a 26.2 inch seat height and a 692 pound dry weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and both tires at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and ships well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the primary cover. This bike has an owner's manual, 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.